Happy Father's Day to all the men out there, whether you are grandpa, dad, you just claim somebody as your child, or if your child is passed on. But happy Father's Day, and have a good weekend.
What are we doing today?
We're making slime. Glow-in-the-dark slime.
Why are we making slime today? This was your idea. You go first.
So, we got our magical liquid. Ooh. And glow-in-the-dark.
It's
glue. And
this is glue. You're messing up everything.
I'm just knocking stuff over. Don't tell the people what I'm doing.
She's trying to make slime and purple slime and more stretchy.
Okay, first, pour one of these glow-in-the-dark glue container. My bad, in a container. So, we're going to do that, and then we're going to mix 2 teaspoons of this magical liquid and mix it up. So pour your glue.
You're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to squirt it. Like this.
It don't matter. You're pouring all of it in there. I'm pouring all of this in there.
Is that all that you got? Where's mine? Empty on.
I mean, there's still some coming out. You gotta squeeze it out hard. It won't come out.
I told you we should have squirted it. I think mine's empty.
We're putting the magical glue in there and mixing it up. 2 tablespoons, like 2 drops.
How big?
1, 2.
I think I put a little bit too much.
Well, I guess that's okay. Put the lid back on it though. And then we're going to mix it together. Mix it until it becomes really, really hard.
Mine already made slime.
Keep mixing. You're supposed to take it out and knead with both hands.
I hope it doesn't stick to your hand.
It's sticker. Oh my gosh. No. Maybe I put too much of that stuff in there. No, it's supposed to be all together, not sticking to your fingers.
Stick it to my fingers.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so it doesn't glow in the dark. Well, maybe a little bit.
This does.
Can you see the glue?
We're sorry that you can't see it because it's too dark in here.
Alright, so this does not work. Maybe I added too much magic liquid to it, but it does not work. It's too sticky, and it does not glow in the dark. I mean, it sort of does, but you can't see it on camera. So, sorry guys.